TLP, I've worked for a company for 13 years, and during my stay there, I invented a billion-naira application. But after my resignation, they're not willing to let go of my application. What do I do?
Intellectual property are valuable assets of the company, so employers don't joke with them at all. The employer's actions and the employee's actions are regulated solely by the employment contract. So first of all, we must look at the written agreements between the both parties because they are bound by it. So copyright originally belongs to the author, that is the maker of the document. So for an employer to claim ownership over your work, it means it has to be stated clearly in the written agreement. When this written agreement exists, the employer owns the intellectual property created by his employees within the course of their employment. So when you're paid by the company to write software and develop apps for them, then the intellectual property belongs to the employer. But if you're hired as a cleaner and you develop the software, or you're hired to make inventories and you develop a computer game, then the intellectual property belongs to you and not your employer. But if there is no written agreement, then the employee automatically has the ownership of his intellectual property. But if you're an independent contractor, then you can choose whether or not to assign your intellectual property because it automatically belongs to you. So for patent protections, inventions made within the course of your employment belongs automatically to your employer, whether or not there's an agreement to that effect. Yes, so from the Temple of Justice, I'm the law teacher. Bye.